Yeah, nitroplanes.com. It's made out of EPP foam. The shit doesn't break. I've crashed it 100 times. Well, that's the flap. Yeah.
Okay.
But you know, it's very, very, very robust.
Oh, that's the camera right there.
Yeah. It's freaking awesome, dude.
You
I got my whole.
transmitter?
Yeah, I have a little backpack. I can take it off. You know. But the thing, it's called a flying wing, man.
What's underneath?
I put that. I didn't know if it was part of the package. I put that. But you know, and it's like, you know, it gives it a little, because when it lands on its belly, it protects the battery and shit.
This is for which one's for the video?
The video is this cloverleaf.
Cloverleaf,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, the cloverleaf antenna.
And then this is for you.
That's for this.
Battery operated.
LiPo battery, of course. Brushless motor. It's the same motor I use in my truck. It's awesome. Just like tossing in the wind. Almost. We'll do that again. Save you a big headache. Yeah, you can keep crashing and nothing's gonna happen until you get the hang of it. And you get a simulator, you know, cheap PC simulator. There's one like a freebie one you could get called Clearview on the PC. You practice a little bit, you take it out, you know, and that's it. You know, here's a move the right stick.
What's that?
The right stick, the right one, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. See, look, move it. That's your. So this is gonna go down, right? And when you pull up, yeah, you're gonna go down. When you pull up, it's gonna go up, and then, you know, right, left, right. And then, you know, right, exactly. Move it.
Which way?
Like left. So you wanted to go left. So left, it's gonna go.
Okay. And one
It's gonna go like that. Right.
Okay, I see. And then
It's gonna go to the right. It's gonna bank to the right. So it's really 3-channel. That's all it is. It's the best, man. I love this thing. It's a lot of fun. They also have a little mini version called the Mini Pop Wing. So a little mini version of this, and now it's a little cheaper. You know, it's like $55. Everything. All you need is a remote control and a receiver. But you can get one like you get this good. This one is a very good one. You know, it's like $10 for like $159. But then you get to go. That's the only one I ever used. The Spectrum DS6i. You know, and then you get this, and it'd be a lot of fun, man, for the kids. I'm recording, by the way.